In this video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in Bloxfruit's Discord server. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find trading channels for Bloxfruits and how to interact with others, so you will be able to change fruits and any other items that you have in Bloxfruits. So first, I just want to make something very clear. You can join the official Bloxfruits Discord server, and this is going to be by far the best option to trade with others. However, this server is very full and crowded. It has more than 1 million members. So if you aren't already in the server, it is going to be extremely difficult to join. As you can see, this server is currently full. So sadly, I won't be able to show you this server because my Discord account is not currently in it. But if you are on the official Bloxfruit server, you will be able to find a trading channel in there, and you can just interact with others to trade. Alternatively, look for Bloxfruit's trading discords on Google. As you can see, there are a bunch. I chose this one, Eclipse, for this video, which has more than 300,000 members, but you also have this one with 70,000, this one with 100,000, and another one with 70. So just choose any of these. When you join any of these servers, usually what will happen is that they will have channels at the left here. So they have trading, slow trading, booster trading, trusted trading, and all that you have to do in here is to include which fruits or which items you have and what you want in return. So people usually use the emotes provided by the server. So in this example here, this person has a T-Rex fruit and they are requesting any items. So maybe you just make an offer and see if they accept. Some people will be more direct. So for example here, this person wants 2x mastery for Phoenix or Leopard fruits and so on. So all that you have to do is use these channels here and interact with others. You will be able to request or offer anything that you have. So as you can see, there are a bunch of options to choose from. Usually they will have emotes, so it is simple to describe what you want and what you can offer in return. I hope I was able to help you on how to trade in Bloxfruit's Discord servers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.